The bib's already coming in handy.
Insane. Hey guys, and welcome back. It's me and Tyler.
What's up?
And we are here in Diver City in Odaiba to check out something incredible, something that I love, and I think Tyler likes it too.
Oh yeah, we've done a couple of the DIY or do-it-yourself kind of food types that are in Japan, like, you know, Okonomiyaki, yakiniku, but this time, I've actually never done this one. It's
me neither.
Kushiage, which is basically
fried stuff on a stick?
Yeah, fried sticks, fried sticks. So you can pick your own ingredients, batter it yourself, and fry it yourself. So you literally do everything at this restaurant.
And this is something that even Japanese people haven't done before, so we're really excited to try it out. So let's go check it out.
Let's go. Hello guys, so we are here sitting down. This is kind of frightening. It's like I'm back at my old part-time job as a breakfast cook. I'm just ready to fry it up. But see, this, I don't think this would ever work in the States. And maybe like the yakiniku video.
Yeah, maybe
it's there. But like for me, I feel like this is a liability.
Feast begin.
This queue up here.
Take one here, so we're gonna grab some of the chick. A tater tot! I'm taking a tater tot. Look at that! It's adorable. Get some broccoli?
No, dude, I'm going for that ebi.
Oh man,
super fried tater tots.
Super fried tater tots. Okay, so we're gonna do this.
Obviously, in English, we don't call these tater tots. We call these hashed potatoes.
Just roll it around in there, right? Boom. Get a little bit of that delicious batter on there. Oh, flake it.
Oh man, that's gonna be so good.
Oh, that's gonna be. I'm kind of worried it's gonna fall off.
Past these. Oh. A little bit fell off, that's cool. And then I think you just, oh shit, okay.
Oh man, so we got two of these things open right now.
Yeah, let's do up some other stuff, right? You got the bacon there, I'm gonna do some gyu.
So one of the things that I find most interesting about this kind of, I don't know, style of eating, like Japan's DIY food, man, is just how much, you get to enjoy the process of eating.
Yeah, right?
It's just such potato.
I feel like Captain Crunch might be making a comeback.
Yeah, just bring back the crunch.
Hashtag bring back the crunch. Should I just eat this while Tyler's not here? I think that he's going away. I think I should just eat it.
Some blood orange sauce.
What?
Don't know what that's gonna taste like. Some spicy sauce. And this is a cheese sauce, but I'm pretty sure it's ranch. We got the cameraman dancing behind us because they want to eat some of this kushiage. Wow. Got some pre-made takoyaki. A couple little wieners. I want you to take a look
at my wieners.
At my tiny wieners. To scale.
I recommend you dip the chicken, which is this one, in the ponzu and then in the karakuchi.
Ooh, okay.
It's like Szechuan sweet and sour.
I'll go out and I'll find some more of that Mulan Szechuan teriyaki dipping sauce, Morty.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, right.
Oh my god.
I don't know if you're meant to mix sauces, but
this is the weirdest part. Yeah.
I feel bad because like we're just here like, oh, Kushiage is really good, and then you've got two camera people over here, and they're just like, yeah, it does look good. They're having a great time.
We messed up. I think we need to just go straight with veggies from now on because those are so good.
I think you're wrong. They give you little tiny bites so you can enjoy everything.
That's true, that's true.
Because as you just said, as you eat Kushiage, you get more and more and more full. If you're eating tiny bites, it means you're getting more for your money.
Well, also you're getting more variety.
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't think about that. I was just like, I love Ika Fry, so I just want this to be the whole stick. So yeah, depending on the time of day, so lunchtime versus dinner time, as well as the season, what we get
is different. Yeah.
So,
I wish they had cheese mochi.
Ooh, wait, are you sure they don't have it?
Which takoyaki is going to which person?
Well, obviously the one that's fried is going to me.
Okay, well I'll just grab the one that's not fried, you son of a bitch.
Like so incredibly hot. So takoyaki is basically fried octopus balls. If you've seen our channel before, you probably know that. My issue with them is they're basically like the Hot Pockets of Japan.
Pockets!
We've done Okonomiyaki, we did fish barbecue place, yakiniku place, Takoyaki we did.
Yeah,
as
we did
well. I forgot about
takoyaki.
that.
Yeah.
So out of all the DIY foods you've seen so far on our channel, by the way, check them out. I'm gonna put a card up there. Which one do you like the most out of all of the different DIY foods that we've done?
Which one was your favorite?
Oh, my favorite? Ooh.
I'm digging this right now.
Ooh, that's hard. If I'm talking about what would I eat every day of the week, no matter what day it is, yakiniku, bro. I don't know if that's a clean plate or a dirty plate.
It's a dirty one, but I'm cool with it.
The bib's already coming in handy.
It's sitting.
What's with me doing the DIY food and always messing something up? I'm surprised I didn't like drop something in the fryer.
I think that's an ample coating right there. Pop that one right in there, that bad boy.
Oh my god, I just realized that's what that's for.
Yeah, we dumb.
Ah, I didn't realize that's what that was for. That makes so much more sense now. Damn it. You know what? We should start a Discord channel for people that play games.
Oh, that's a great idea.
That people play games.
We'll start a Discord channel and then you guys can chat to us like whenever you want. Obviously, we won't be on there 24/7, but we'll start a Discord. I'll put it in the link below. If you are a tourist in Japan, a lot of places in Japan obviously have smoking okay in restaurants, and tourists don't generally like that. The good thing about this place being in Diver City being a mall, it's completely not okay to smoke in here.
Not up in here!
Not up in here!
Unlike most Kushiage places, you go to a Kushiage place, it's steamy, tight-knit, and like smoky. This place, it's very aired out, it's very, very nice. It's relaxing, I would say.
I'm very satisfied with that meal.
Me too, I'm very full.
A little early for fried food, but the thing is about
It's never
Japanese
too
fried
early.
food is it's super light.
It's light, yeah.
It's not as heavy as if I said, let's go eat some karaage.
Yeah.
Even the karaage is not too heavy, but like
It's
fried
like getting
chicken.
like fried chicken, like buttermilk fried chicken would like mess you up in the mornings.
Yeah.
This
isn't bad. This is
not right.
an acceptable level of deliciousness. But anyways, guys, we talked about making a Discord channel.
Yeah.
I'll probably try and do that and put links down in the bottom. If not in this video, the next video.
Yeah.
Come play with games with us. When we're not making videos, we're usually just at home chilling because we've done the whole explore Tokyo thing and we do it for our jobs. So in our free time, it's time to relax.
Oh, and if you have one, go and follow our Instagram account because we go and take loads of really cool pictures of around Tokyo.
Anyways, guys, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.